Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. I am Chioma. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome to the family. So today we'll be making Nigerian meat pie. And if you want to see how I made those meat pie bread, stay till the end. So here I have my ingredients for the meat pie filling. I have 2 medium-sized carrots, 2 Irish potatoes, 1 onion, 1 seasoning cube, a teaspoon of cornstarch, minced meat. You can use any one of your choice, chicken or beef. It's the same. Salt, curry powder, thyme, and olive oil. So these ingredients are just for the meat pie fillings. I will also be showing you also the ingredients for the meat pie dough. So for the meat pie dough, we have 1 egg to paint the meat pies later, margarine, cold water, flour, baking powder, and salt. So these are the ingredients for the meat pie dough. Also, I will also put them in the description board. Here the ingredients are ready. Everything is ready. The onion, Irish potato, carrot, everything is ready. So now we'll start our cooking process. We add our olive oil, we add our chopped onion and we fry for some minutes. So here we can see the onion has changed color. Now we add our meat. With the spatula, we try to split the meat, stirring it continuously. We add our thyme, curry powder, and seasoning cube. It's hard, eh? I can't break it with the hand, so I put it like that. The heat will melt it there. So I stir continuously. So can you now see the difference? We add our water. A little more water. And we cover it. It has been cooking here for 4 minutes in a low heat. So now I will be adding the carrots. Firstly, I will add the carrots because it's harder. Then later I will be adding the Irish potato. I will stir everything together. And I will cover it and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. Remember, in a low heat. So it has passed 2 minutes here. Then I'll be adding the Irish potato now. Look back, I'll add it too much. It seems the light is too much. Let me reduce it a little. Better. So I mixed everything together. So here to prepare our filling pie thickener, we add cold water to the cornstarch. We'll mix it well, and this thickener helps the meat pie. It makes it not to be dry. It makes it to be more yummy. So now the carrots and the Irish potato are quite already done. We now add our thickener. We stir it a little. So we cover it and cook for some minutes, and it's done. The filling pie is here, is ready. You can now see the difference. You see the way it is. Yeah, perfect. So the filling pie is ready. So we leave it to cool down. So to prepare our meat pie dough, first of all I have to add all the dry ingredients together. So here I've added the salt, to the flour, also the baking powder. So now I mix together with my hands. I've already washed my hand. So after mixing that, I will now add the margarine. So now I have to rub everything together. So here you can now see that the mixture has become like crumbs. So now we have to add our water, and the water has to be cold. So the water, we have to be adding it little by little. When we see that the meat pie dough needs more water, we add. So I mixed with the hand, a little more water. So you can now see we have formed a stiff ball of dough. Now the thing, the kwakapo, it looks like fufu. So now we place it on a flat surface, and we work on it for 5 minutes. Wow, I'm preparing it like fufu. So now we put it back in our bowl and cover it and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Yeah. Here I will be preparing the egg for the meat pie glazing, and I will be adding a little milk. And this milk that I will be adding will help the meat pie after baking it to be shiny. I will show you later after baking the meat pie. So we'll mix it well. Yeah. So now you can see that I have already prepared the oven tray. So everything is ready. So here, after 10 minutes of resting, you can now see that the meat pie dough is very soft. So I'll work on it again for just a little time. 3 more minutes. So I will leave it to rest for another 10 minutes. Here, after the 10 minutes of rest, I will be dividing the meat pie dough into four pieces. Although this is optional, it's easier for me. Another way to know if your meat pie dough is okay is that you don't need flour on the surface where you'll be working. The meat pie dough will not be sticky. If your meat pie dough is sticky, it means that the dough is not very nice. So you use any circle shape, something you have to make the shape, and you cut off. And if you have meat pie cutter, you can use it. So we now add our meat pie fillings. We rub the egg on the inside edges. This helps the meat pie to seal better, so that when we are baking it, the meat pie will not be open. So we press it well, the two edges. We continue the same process. We cut it. We add the meat pie filling. We rub the egg on the inside edges. We close it and we press the two edges very well. So with the help of a fork, we press the two edges. This is very important because it makes the meat pie, when we are baking it, it will not be open in the oven. So you have to make sure you press the two edges together. So with the remaining meat pie dough that I have, I will be preparing another type of meat pie bread. So here I'm giving it a shape with a knife. So I will just give a mark where I will be cutting. On those sides also I will give a mark. So you can see that now I will be from where I marked. So I will be cutting. You see the way I'm cutting it. So after that, I will fill in the meat pie. I will add the meat pie filling. Then I will start. This is just like a plating Bob Marley. So we add this. We put this. You see? You add from this side and from the other side. You see? You see? Just like this, gradually. So this is meat pie bread. And that is it. Wow, it looks nice, eh? Finally, we rub the egg on the meat pie with the help of a brush, just the way I'm doing it right now. And this gives the meat pie a golden brownish color when it's done. Already I have preheated my oven at 170 and I will be baking the meat pie for 45 minutes. Yeah. And that is the meat pie. It's done. Yeah. Please, if you have liked the video, give me a thumb up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. And also give your comment down in the comment section. Okay, so let's enjoy the meat pie. Wow. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.